Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. I found this Vtech 2-in-1 racetrack at a second-hand store, and I thought it would be fun to race these two cars down this blue track. There's a 1 spot and a 2 spot, and on go they race down, and only one car fits through the finish line. I will begin by turning it on. And it lights up. Red for stop, green for go. Up on the ramp, and up, up, up. The red car will go in the number 2 spot today. The yellow car gets up on the ramp. What spot does it go in? The number 1 spot. We need to make sure the wheels are on tight.
Tighten the wheels with the wrench.
They're at the start line. Start is S-T-A-R-T. And when I say go, I'm going to push this green flag down and both cars will take off onto the racetrack. Ready, set, go! Uh-oh, the yellow car has ran into the back of the red car. Car racing can be quite dangerous. That's why the drivers wear helmets and special seat belts. Luckily, this time both drivers are okay, and there wasn't any damage to the cars either. They're going to do their race one more time. This time, the red car will go in the spot number 1, and the yellow will go in number 2. Okay, drivers, on your marks, get set, go! Who crossed the finish line first, Tiny fans? The yellow car is the winner. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.